this is kind of in keeping with what Wayne showed in the demo. So I'm going to start first of all with an example. So we all know how we do these ornaments. They start with a square piece, a square stock, and you drill them with a Forstner bit, and then you turn them and so on. Okay. Well, I wanted to do something that had 6 holes instead of 4. So I did one with 6 holes instead of 4. Now, and the way I did this was based on, and of course I have a ribbon finial on there. And I need to do the top and so on. There's no finish on this yet. So this is very similar to what Wayne was using in his lathe banjo. This is something that I got from something that Mike Walt, another Brit turner, made, Welsh turner, and this uses what's called a drill guide kit. Okay, it looks like this. You can buy them on Amazon. I think Mike's was in millimeters. Mine is not in millimeters, and it has these little inserts. Okay, and they have different hole sizes. Okay, and you can see that they've got these flanges on them, right? So when you drill this hole, one side is slightly bigger than the other, so that the insert just fits inside, and it lets you put a drill or a Forstner bit or something, whatever you need, whatever the right size you need in here is, right? And this is the hole. This sits right on top of my banjo like this, and the hole is centered in the center of my spindle. So my holes are always being drilled wherever I put it. And then I use my lathe indexer, just like Wayne did, to drill multiple holes. So that's how I drilled these holes.